Doreen Vundla Pulu, Sengezo Tshabangu's wife, a respected legal professional in Zimbabwe, now faces a legal battle of her own. The allegations against her are serious: forgery, misuse of funds, negligence. These accusations have sent shockwaves through the legal community. Pulu, known for her sharp intellect and unwavering dedication, had built a formidable reputation. Her career was marked by success. Now, it hangs in the balance. The scandal has cast a long shadow over her accomplishments. The case is unfolding in the public eye, every detail scrutinized, every word analyzed. The courtroom drama is captivating. The stakes are high, not only for Pulu's career, but also for her husband's political aspirations. The scandal threatens to derail his promising political trajectory. The whispers started as a murmur, then grew into a roar. Can Pulu clear her name? Can her husband's political ambitions survive this storm? The answers remain elusive. The legal battle has just begun. The charges against Pulu are multifaceted. Each accusation carries significant weight, potentially leading to severe consequences. The forgery allegation is perhaps the most damning. It strikes at the heart of her integrity as a legal professional. Documents purportedly bearing Pulu's signature are under scrutiny. Experts are analyzing their authenticity. The prosecution alleges that Pulu falsified these documents for personal gain. The misuse of funds is another serious charge. It is alleged that Pulu misappropriated funds entrusted to her. These funds, meant for clients, were allegedly diverted for her personal use. The prosecution is meticulously tracing the flow of money. Financial records are being dissected. The negligence charge stems from Pulu's alleged failure to fulfill her professional duties. It is claimed that her actions, or lack thereof, resulted in significant financial losses for her clients. The scandal has had a devastating impact on Pulu's career. Her reputation, once impeccable, is now tarnished. Clients are wary. Colleagues are distancing themselves. The legal community, once a source of support, now observes with a mix of skepticism and judgment. Her husband's political aspirations have also been dealt a significant blow. His campaign, once vibrant and full of promise, now faces an uphill battle. The scandal has become a major distraction. Voters are questioning his judgment. The opposition is capitalizing on the situation, using the scandal to attack his credibility. The political landscape has shifted dramatically. What was once a clear path to victory is now fraught with uncertainty. The scandal's ripple effects are far-reaching, impacting both Pulu's professional standing and her husband's political future. The scandal has ignited a firestorm of public opinion. Opinions are divided. Some vehemently condemn Pulu, demanding swift justice. Others express disbelief, clinging to the memory of her previous accomplishments. The media is relentless. Every development is splashed across headlines. Talk shows dissect the case, fueling the public debate. The legal community is grappling with the implications of the scandal. Some lawyers are calling for Pulu's disbarment, emphasizing the need to uphold the integrity of the profession. Others urge caution, advocating for due process and a fair trial. The courts are preparing for a lengthy legal battle. The prosecution is building a meticulous case, gathering evidence and lining up witnesses. Pulu's defense team is strategizing, preparing to counter every allegation. The scandal involving Doreen Vundla Pulu is a complex tale of alleged misconduct, shattered reputations, and uncertain futures. The legal battle is far from over. The truth remains elusive, buried beneath layers of accusations and denials. The courtroom will be the battleground where evidence will be presented, arguments will clash, and testimonies will be scrutinized. The judge and jury will ultimately decide Pulu's fate. The verdict will have far-reaching consequences, impacting not only Pulu's life, but also the landscape of Zimbabwe's legal and political arenas. Will justice be served? Will Pulu be exonerated? Or will she face the full weight of the law? The answers lie in the hands of the court. For now, the nation watches, waits, and speculates as the drama continues to unfold.